So next on the list is to repair these. So we bought the little plastic stick-on covers that just don't stick on and break and go brittle, and then the bits go in the water, which I don't like. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these out. We bought some new ones with actual proper caps on them. The shower head also broke as well, so we ended up cutting that off. So we're going to whip these two out and we're going to put a couple of new ones in. So Christine's at the back of the boat with the Dremel, and then we've got an extension lead going into this, going into this, which we can use if we need to. It's not really great, but if you ever needed to go from 13 amp socket into a 16 amp, and also back down the other way in case you ever needed to get some power. Obviously you have to be really careful because you have the fusing and the loads and all sorts of stuff doing that sort of stuff, but if you're just running one tool, it's not too bad. But managing to cobble all them together, we've actually managed to get to the back of the boat now. That's going out here, and then Christine is here with the Dremel. So we're going to just Dremel that off and just widen the hole a little bit. I'm going to get the hoover as well. Hang on, wait for me. So we've just had to swap the tap assembly over because the ends on this are much smaller on ours. So the new tap, these are small, and we've got the large ones on the boat. Haven't got any to swap. Don't fancy undoing them at this end, so we've just swapped the taps over. So I'll just show you what we're doing in here. Oh. So here's the hot water and the cold water that come in. So as you can see, the larger fittings that we've got on our boat. And then this one's been cut out. What I didn't do before is I didn't secure a bag to the back of that, which I should have done. So now I've just secured a bag to the back of that to hopefully catch any dust. Taped it underneath and at this side where all the dust is coming in. Hopefully that'll just stop it a little bit. I'm just going to cover this hole next. And then we're going to just widen that hole. They're a little bit out. Widen that hole. Christine's already done the other one. And then we can start putting it back together. That seems okay. Right, ready for the hose to come through and the new shower to go on when you want. I'll do the. I know I can't do the shower. That fitting's got to go through there first. Okay. Okay, so we just checked everything, put the shower head on, and that's obviously how it comes back into the boat. And then what happens is you have all of this. So what I'd like to try and do is create see if Christine can make like a bag, so that actually the hose sits in a little bag that kind of hangs up here, because you don't want it going on the heater, you don't want it getting any round. Some of this stuff gets hot, so we need to have a look at that in the future. And also the shower's very heavy now, actually, but yeah, really pleased. Just tested it, got no leaks. Hot water on this boat is just ridiculously hot, so this is all red hot now, but no leaks here. We haven't undone this, no leaks appearing there. I'm going to leave the bucket here tonight. I'm going to empty it out, dry it out, leave it here tonight just to make sure. We'll know anyway because the pump will run, but looking good. I'll show you outside. So they're the new fittings. Just got to screw them in and just clean off obviously where we've just been working here. But yeah, gaskets are all in, need screwing in, but they are done. Look a lot better than the other ones. I'll put a link to the description if anybody wants any of these.